Yes. Of our party primaries, state election, governorship, and various by-elections in the country, which APC came out in flying colors. And also resolved to continue to work with our party, support our party, strengthen our party, prepare our party for future elections, and also struggle to work towards solving the problems, challenges, especially on democratic space, ensuring that our people are better. And the result also, we meet with the leadership of the party to plan the coming presidential and national assembly election. We are ready and beautiful. That is what we have resolved at the end of our meeting.
Thank you very much.